Hey guys, I know that women are notorious chocolate lovers, but be honest, don't you just love biting the heads off chocolate bunnies at Easter? Or sneaking candy from your kid's Easter basket? Well, today we're going to take it up a notch. I'm going to show you how to make a super huge chocolate egg in 5 easy steps. It's going to blow everyone away. So stick around. Well, depending on what data you look at, Easter is just as big, if not bigger, than Halloween when it comes to candy. According to the National Retail Federation, we will spend over $2.5 billion with a B dollars on Easter candy this year. That's a lot of jelly beans, Peeps, chocolate bunnies. In fact, the average person will spend $21 on Easter candy. Of course, we're not looking to be average, are we guys? We want to blow our loved ones away with something big, like a super huge chocolate egg. Of course, if I'm honest, I've never made a chocolate egg in my life. But why should that stop me? I'm always up for an adventure, and I know you are too. So come on, let's get going. Here's exactly what you'll need to get started. A large balloon, 2 to 3 bags of your favorite chocolate, a microwavable mixing bowl, and a spatula, coconut oil, and a measuring spoon, a funnel, a knife, and a plastic bottle. This happens to be an old syrup bottle. Step number 1, prep the balloon. Take your balloon, turn it inside out, dip the balloon in warm, soapy water, then rinse and dry. Then reverse the balloon so it's back to normal. Step number 2, melt the chocolate. Pour the bags of chocolate chips into a mixing bowl. Chocolate likes to burn super quickly, so you're going to want to microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring in between. Once it's all melted, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which helps chocolate set quicker. And then let it cool down just a little bit. Step number 3, fill the balloon. Pour the melted chocolate into a clean bottle. Blow up the balloon and twist the top. Wrap the balloon opening around the opening of your bottle. Untwist your balloon and fill the balloon with chocolate. Be sure to rotate the balloon gradually to let the chocolate cover the entire balloon from the inside. Step number 4, refrigerate the chocolate. Tie up the balloon, then put it into the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Once the chocolate hardens, cut the balloon and carefully remove it from the chocolate. Step number 5, fill the egg. Use a warm knife to make a small hole on top. Then fill the chocolate egg with candy. So there you have it, one super huge chocolate Easter egg that'll blow your family away. Believe me, if I did it, I know you can too. And we still have to pick a lucky winner from our maple syrup contest from 2 weeks ago. Everybody who commented on that video got their name in the hat, or in this case, I put it in the egg. And we're going to draw one lucky winner right now. And that lucky winner is... And that chocolatey lucky winner is Emily Tumbleson. Congratulations, Emily, you just won yourself a bottle of Quaker Gold, pure maple syrup from Camp Quaker Haven. And for the rest of you, don't despair, because we're always giving stuff away on Manly Moments, but you gotta stay tuned. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. And we will see you next time for another installment of Manly Moments.